back, everyone. Thank you for tuning into another property tour with your 8-figure fam. Today we are in the Bridgeland community in Cypress, Texas. This is a MI home and this is their Roseville floor plan. Okay, this floor plan has 2,912 square feet with 3 full bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, and 1 half bathroom. It also has a 2-car garage. So let's get into it. One thing I did really love about the home was that the bedrooms had really high ceilings, and I love high ceilings because they just open up the space so much and add so much more natural light in there, as well as the different textures throughout the home. I love the different textures that they use, and combining them, they did an awesome job with this room. To the right, where that little office is where your two-car garage entry would be. Okay, so out of all the rooms, I definitely think this one was my favorite. I feel like this space is an awesome flex space. I love that they turned it into an office/den type of thing, and the decor, the patterns, textures, light fixtures, everything in here is just, yes, they did an awesome job. So good job, MI. I really love this home, and I loved how they staged it. I really love the layout of this kitchen. I feel like the kitchen is very simple, very comfortable, but still offering a very stylish and gourmet type of feel. Very oversized pantry, quartz countertops, deep sinks. Awesome. I love it all. Oversized cabinets and really everything that you need. I do apologize that I am a little shaky in this video. It was so hot this day, and it was like my 3rd tour of the day. I was sweating and it was just a mess, but I had to get it for you guys. So I hope you capture that. There's the master bedroom over there. I love that wall and the cylinder effect, so we'll get into that. But first, let's go ahead and go to the backyard, and then we'll head upstairs. another really nice versatile flex space, so you can turn this into whatever you want it to be, really. If you want that over there to be a nice little bedroom, and maybe put a curtain down or a door, however you want to do it, or if you want to keep that like your media room, that would be awesome too. So yeah, it's really like your own little apartment up here, if you ask me. You're just missing the kitchen. So yeah, it's a really nice size, this media room. So yeah, this is a half story actually. One of my favorite parts, as I mentioned before, I love this little cylinder effect that you have to the entrance of your primary bedroom. You could really add some art or plants there and just really make this space just different and make it pop. I love the colors that they chose in the master bedroom. I really like the accent wall that they had there. It's not a different color, but it adds a different texture to the space and a different dimension. So really good job there. The bathroom is also a very simple layout too, but still very, very fresh and clean. So yeah. Okay, so I was trying to get a nice little shot of the tub and the shower over there to the right. However, I really failed at that. So don't be mad at me, but yes, once I seen the shower and the step down that they have, it gave like a grotto type of feel to it, and I've never seen that before. Once I seen it in this house, I was like, I need that in my first home, no doubt about it. That is all that we have for this property tour. If you made it to the end, shout out to you. If you would like to see more of us, go ahead and subscribe, comment, and like down below. If you really love us, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Follow us on our Instagram and TikTok at 8Figure Realty. And of course, if you need a realtor, go ahead and contact us at our email down below. Peace.